To receive our future videos, please do not forget to subscribe, and also please, do not forget to click the notification bell symbol, next to subscribe button, which will notify of our next video. If you do like our videos, please like, and share our videos. Thanks. Let us jump into some interesting life hacks about the least bothered item, which is usually found inside the shoe boxes, which is filled with small white bead, the silica gel packet. Number 1. Save your spice cabinet. To keep your herbs and spices fresh, a silica gel packet can remove excess moisture, and helps to keep the herbs and spices in the dry environment. Number 2. Protect your lines and clothing. Clothes can be easily being damaged during humid environment. Protect your clothing, shoes, and handbags by placing a silica gel packs. There is no risk in using them. The more the silica gel pack, the more the moisture they can absorb from the surface. Place some silica gel pack into your leather jackets from decaying. Number 3. Deodorize gym bags and laundry. No matter how often you clean the clothes in gym bag, they can still hold the odd smell. You can spray, but the odor can still linger. Throw some silica gel packs in the bottom of the bag, which can suck up the wetness before it even begin to stink. Number 4. Protect your valuable jewelry from tarnishing. Putting a few silica gel packs in jewelry box can help to remove humidity and slow down the tarnish process. Number 5. Lengthen the life of your razors. It does not matter how expensive your razors are, they still seem to rust in days after use. This is because the steam from your shower fills up your bathroom, locking in moisture that can rust your razors. Hence, keeping the razors in sealed jar filled with few silica gel packs will help to absorb the moisture present on the razors, which will protect the razors from getting rust. You can even put the razors into the jar right after use. While the razors are still wet, the silica gel packs will eat up the moisture and the bacteria. Number 6. Maintain your favorite books, photos, and documents. To protect your photos, albums, documents from damage, place silica gel packs on the bookshelves, or in your album box, which will help from the wear and tear due to the moisture present. This small silica gel packs removes excess moisture before it can attach on your favorite albums. Number 7. Defog your car windshield. Keeps your car's windshield clear of fog using silica gel packs. Place a few silica gel packs on your dashboard for constant defogging, no matter the season is. Number 8. Dry out your phone. In order to dry out the tiny openings in your phone, drop your phone into a Ziploc bag with enough silica gel packs to cover the phones on both the sides. Leave the phone sealed in the bag and let the phone sit in the sealed bag for about 24 hours, which will help in the process of the silica gel pack absorbing the moisture present in the phone. Number 9. Protect your pills. Protect your pills from water damage by placing few silica gel packs. It helps especially during travel. Number 10. Keep seasoned items fresh. Items that we do not use very often, like holiday decoration and luggage, which are mostly exposed to odors caused due to the presence of moisture. To protect it from the bad odor and damage caused due to moisture, toss few silica gel packs to absorb the moisture and protect from deterioration. Number 11. Protect your tools from rusting. Drop few silica gel packs into your tool box. This will absorb the moisture and protect your tools from catching rust. Number 12. Underwater camera casings are great fun, but even if stray moisture and condensation do not ruin your camera, but they can fog or streak across your lens. Fight this by stashing silica gel packs in the underwater casing along with the camera. And that is the end of this session. Hope you all enjoyed, and once again please do not forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel, and mainly do not forget to press the bell symbol next to the subscribe button so that you get notified once we upload our next interesting content.